COVID-19 may suffer significant brain function impacts, said by a doctor at Imperial College London. UN Security Council ratifies Libya ceasefire deal. Millions of Indians turns out to cast ballot in a state election today in the world's biggest war since the coronavirus emerged. Charlie Hebdo sparked Turkish fury with cartoon of President Erdogan. Saudi Arabia working on labor sector reform. The UAE Ministry of Health and Prevention today reported 1,400 cases of the coronavirus along with 2,189 recoveries. Separate terrorist attack killed 16 people in Afghanistan. In Pakistan, the National Command and Operations Center directs to ensure compliance of wearing of face masks and follow SOPs against COVID-19.